Now let's talk about why this Wi-Fi is important, or why it's something that's more beneficial than, say, Bluetooth. And by the way, as far as protocol here, this will handle CAN FD protocol, so your 2020 plus GM vehicles, as well as DoIP protocol for your BMW, Jaguar, Land Rover communication as well. So let's talk about this Wi-Fi. In fact, let's talk about the old Bluetooth. So most of your dongles talked over Bluetooth. And what we would have the vehicle or the ECM, maybe even the TCM, and other modules in the vehicle that was then talking to, let's just call it the dongle. And then that was talking to the diagnostic computer. Okay, well, the problem was the way that this dongle was talking to the diagnostic computer was over Bluetooth. Okay, and by the way, this is bi-directional as well. So the diagnostic computer is talking back and forth to the dongle is talking back and forth to the ECM, TCM, and other modules that are in the vehicle. Well, this can be a huge roadblock. In other words, there's only so fast of data transfer speed in Bluetooth, and it's not that impressive. This is, what, 20-year-old technology that we're dealing with. Now, we've got additional versions, or we've gone up in versions with Bluetooth, but still, it's not near as fast as Wi-Fi. So if we take this, and then we talk to the dongle and the diagnostic computer with Wi-Fi, now all of a sudden our speeds are much faster. However, what we still have is the communication here between the car, the different modules, and the dongle. So there can still be a roadblock here where the car's computer can't talk all that fast to the dongle, but we definitely don't have the hurdle with the Bluetooth. Also, we're going to get probably more range with the Wi-Fi as well. So if you want to be working at your desk or on your toolbox and the dongle's in the vehicle, you can definitely do that. Or maybe you need to have this on the charge because it's not USB, or you can't use it in a cigarette lighter. You can have this plugged in again on your toolbox and be able to work from the toolbox while the dongle is in the vehicle.